What up, friends? Brand new battery company in the US, made in the USA. All right, guys, we're at the field. I'm gonna fly my Moz7 today, and we're gonna test out this new battery. Check it out. It's about the same size as the 8,000 packs from iFlight and Geprc, but they're made in the USA. This is a company called Upgrade Energy, and this is a 6S10AH 10,000 milliamp. It weighs around 420 grams battery alone. It has an XT60 here, balance connector, and it's running 6S. So this is a liion pack. It's not a lipo, but I flew it already, and I'm not gonna tell you what I think about it right now, but watch some of the video, pay close attention to the way the Moz7 flies. Go back and look at my other video and compare it yourself. The proof's all in the video. Watch the video, see how it flies with this pack, go back, watch the other one, because I feel like, I can't even tell you yet. You just gotta watch the video and then check out the after flight video and comments. Let's do it. All right, so I have to say, this battery, it has some balls to it. And when I say that, like, I don't want to say that it flies like a lipo, but it's very close to feeling like a lipo. I had nice boost when I would get low along the tree lines, enough to just come up and just skim right over the top of the trees with it. I'm going full speed with it across the field, back and forth. I even felt like doing a power loop of this tree over here. And normally, you guys would never see me do that over here at the field with a liion pack. It's just like unheard of. So I don't know what's going on inside this battery with the energy cells. I know they are Samsung cells in here, so I feel like it has great power to it. And I mean, these are more expensive than the full send and the Geprc 8,000 packs, but these are also domestic. They're in the US, and it feels good so far. As long as these cells hold up, we'll do some long range tests with them coming up as well. See how many minutes I can get it down to on the minimum cell voltage. It says minimum down to 16.2 volt, a maximum charge at 25.2 volts. So we'll see what happens with these packs, but I like the way they look. Dark lithium. Let's get it. So I appreciate you guys watching, and yeah, stay tuned for more long range type stuff on the channel. We're always doing new frames, new 7-inch. Hopefully that 9-inch Chimera would come my way one day, and 10-inch on the channel. Take care, I'll see you in the next one.